afternoon, everybody. My name is Deepak Pandit, and I'd like to talk to you about entrepreneurship, specifically entrepreneurial education. I am a part of the Indian School of Entrepreneurship, and I thought this is a good time to share some of the trends which are happening in our society, especially in the context of the renewed economic growth which is predicted to happen in this fiscal and the fiscals thereafter. If we see in terms of the entrepreneurial ecosystem, India has always lagged behind. Some recent trends which have been indicated in business magazines and yellow newspapers talk about entrepreneurs turning angel investors for other entrepreneurs. They talk about Indian entrepreneur ventures actually going outside the country, both for the form of registration and to take care of the benefit of taxation. They talk about the lack of venture capital, which is purely within our national boundaries. So basically, if we look at, there is a lot of aspirations and well-intended schemes, both by the government and by well-meaning philanthropic organizations and individuals. However, in terms of actual trickle down to would-be entrepreneurs, the amount of deals which are happening where Indian ventures are being funded by, let's say, the ecosystem which is unique to our country is still very small. What we need to do is try and look at the reasons for that and see how an entrepreneurial education can actually help us accelerate this process. The recent trends in terms of the government's mandate to set up a fund up to 10,000 crores for supporting entrepreneurial initiative is a welcome direction. We feel at Indian School of Entrepreneurship that entrepreneurial education is the way to go. The problems of our society can be addressed through large enterprises, both public and private. However, it is truly the small and medium enterprise, or it is the self-employed entrepreneurs who are going to make our society truly successful. And for this to happen, we need that the fruits of this kind of an ecosystem are actually available all across the society. Entrepreneurial education such as ours are a small step in that direction. We look at the cluster. We've identified about 32 clusters in the country, with 5 clusters being the major ones, where we feel that there is possibility of one or even more such institutions which are leveraging the ecosystem in terms of the presence of entrepreneurs, industry professionals, government bodies, the local educational institutions, and other such aspects of the ecosystem, including and up to government support, and trying to make sure that would-be youngsters are interacting with this in a structured program where, moving away from traditional academics, the effort and the focus is on applied learning, where the class is actually divided not just on the academic input, but also in terms of applying that input to have an enterprise. We feel this kind of an venture would go a long way in making our society self-reliant and accelerate on the path of growth that we are wanting to. Thank you.